To be honest, have you ever tried intermittent fasting and felt great for a few days or even a few weeks, and then life got busy and you just stopped? Yep, me too. So let me ask you this. What if the problem isn't you? What if it's the idea that fasting has to be perfect to work? Today I'm going to show you how I stopped chasing perfect fasting times and finally found a rhythm that fits real life. Hey, I'm Mish, and here on Mish Health I share, amongst other things, what actually works when you're trying to reset your health, and all without quick fixes or daft rules. And if you're tired of starting and stopping, if you just want fasting to feel doable or feel doable again, stay with me. Why did I used to fail at fasting? I used to think success meant doing the same thing, doing the same fasting window every single day, usually starting at 16 hours on, 8 hours off. Then it had to be pushed even further, or it was nothing at all. But let me ask you this. What happens when your kid's sick, you've got meetings or other commitments stacked up, or you're just feeling exhausted? You break the window, you feel guilty, and sudden fasting's another of the many things you've failed at. And that's exactly what happened to me until I realised the goal isn't to be perfectly consistent, it's to be consistently flexible. And I'll say that again for added effect, consistently flexible. So what do I do instead? Here's how I do it now. Pretty much plan my fasts around my week. If I've got a busy work day, or since starting this channel, busy filming day, I'll aim for 16 hours or more. If I've got a slow chill day, then I'll just bring it back down to more like the 16-hour mark. If I'm feeling hormonal, low energy, need to be more of a wing it day, then maybe just 14 or 15-hour fasts, and that's fine, absolutely fine. Because what matters is keeping the habit alive, not forcing your body through exhaustion. And I'd really love to know, what's your busy day fast? Do you plan it? Do you just wing it? Tell me in the comments. Genuinely want to know how you handle it. But doesn't flexibility mess up your results? That's the myth, isn't it? That if you're not hitting exact numbers, fasting doesn't work. But that's just not true. Though I'm going to add a caveat to that. What you need to also think about is what you're eating outside of your fasting window. Low carb really helps, and I go into that in a whole host of other videos. And I've linked that playlist at the end of this video for you if you want to have a look at. Get back to the fasting windows. Your body doesn't count minutes and responds to consistency over time. When you stay roughly between 14 to 18 hours most days, you're training metabolic flexibility, and that's the real magic. And that metabolic flexibility simply means your body can switch easily between burning carbs and burning fat for energy. When you're flexible, you've got steady energy, whether you've just eaten or you're fasting. When you're not, you crash, you crave, feel tired the moment you skip a meal. And especially for women in perimenopause, when our hormones are constantly shifting, fasting needs to flex with you, not against you. So how do I plan flexible fasting without overthinking it? Honestly, I use a super simple tracker. Each day I'll look at my next day, my work, my energy, stress, and I'll pick a window that fits that, and then I write it down. That's it. And it's how I stay accountable without the guilt. If you'd like to try it, I've made the exact tracker I use completely free. It's linked below. You'll get it instantly when you join my weekly reset newsletter. What if I mess up again? You will. I do too. And that's the point. Fasting isn't meant to be rigid. If you slip up, just ask, what's the next fast that fits my day? That single question will keep you consistent, sane, and seeing results. So let's drop the guilt, drop the all or nothing thinking, and build something that actually lasts. And if this clicked for you, if you're ready to make fasting fit your life, grab the free tracker. I'd love to hear in the comments, what's one thing that keeps you from staying consistent? And as promised, here is a link to the playlist that will inspire you to think about what foods to consume inside of your eating window. You got this. You